Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the morning stock market and volatility report. It is I, Andrew Giovinazzi, filling in for the one and only Mark Sebastian, who is in New York rating Bloomberg. uh, if you want cool, free stuff, our YouTube page is pretty good. We probably have 20 or 30 videos on there about option trading. We do post blogs every day. Here's mine from Wednesday on handicapping the VIX. So all kinds of good stuff there. And let's get to it. Oh, also selling stuff, our courses, all kinds of good stuff. Also, what do we have is our event in Chicago. It's in the SIBO building. There's mock trading. There's Cubs. There's several days of learning how to trade options, how options work. Great speakers. I think we even have Scott Shellady, who always gives like a very a great talk. He had a great technology talk like 2 years ago or something. Prescient call. Anyway. And then just all kinds of stuff, food, fun, and a lot of trading. It's quite a 4 days. It's quite a 4 days. I enjoy it. And also you get the best weather in Chicago. On to the market. So we'll start here. There we go. We're bouncing around 16. And to be honest, I look at this curve, I don't see a tremendous amount of opportunity because of this trade war thing. I think I said yesterday, like iron condors is dumb trades like that. You just kind of got to wait it out unless you want to trade the swings intraday. I think there's not much there from volatility land except for that. I think our local low was probably 15 on Friday last week. It's like Groundhog Day. The market hasn't gone really anywhere. Vol really hasn't gone anywhere except had some we swung to like 20 VIX on Monday of this week. And now we're just settling down for this. And I think any vol that comes out will be very slow. We have an ultra flat curve except for, some regular contangos coming in. So generally what this means too is, the market's happy with that higher future up there, right? They're not looking for any sort of, they're ready to say, okay, we're happy with VIX being around 16. We'll keep those futures at a higher price. Come go get them. All right. So that makes, I think it's easy for VIX cash to move $1 either way any day right now. And I don't think that's going to change much. I still like the iron condor idea in the SPX. I don't think that's going anywhere. We'll look at that in our chat room today. We're going to take a look at Tesla because it's doing weird things. This is a new low level, I think, for the stock. So we'll look at some kind of realized vol plan here. When it's moving 4%, I think it's going to be very, very bouncy. We have very high vol. I kind of have a remnant of a trade on in here. It's starting to make a little money. But to be honest, this is still kind of a, vol is not super high. It's actually the short-term vol is kind of low. Now, we certainly got a bit of a spike today, but I think we can find ways to make that cheaper for sure. But, it's now, I think it's kind of, I'm not a technical guy, but it looks like it's broken all the old, we have financing, I'm Elon Musk and I'm cool areas. So, we'll see what happens with it, to be honest. So I don't expect great things out of Tesla today. So, keep an eye on VXX and the futures. VXX now is almost all the June cycle. The June cycle is at 17. This is the point where I like to hold VXX puts as long as you can, or structure positions around this. I like to get something off in the vol newsletter, but it's a very short-term trade, meaning like for next week. because I don't think, because this trade war thing, I think makes things sort of bouncy. So there's slightly different VXX trades, maybe like diagonal put spreads, stuff like that. That could be interesting as a new type of trade. Other than that, I just think we're going to get more of this bouncing around for the SPX. So if I had to call today's thing, it's like just more of the same, bouncing around the 16 handle in VIX and see what we get. All right. For that, that is our morning vol report. I'll see some of you in the chat room later. You have a good day and a good weekend.